guys, here we are out at Six Flags Over Texas riding the new Texas Giant. Actually, it's 10 years old this year. This was built in 2011. It's 2021 now. Holy crap, it's 10 years old already. Is it still considered new? I still think it's new. It's new to a lot of people. It's still awesome to me. All right, guys, here we go. We're gonna climb this lift hill, which seems like it goes on for like 450,000 feet. It's like 200 and something. I'm sure you guys can tell me in the comments below how tall this lift hill actually is. Oh crap, it's giving us a warning at the top. Wait, no! No, this is happening. Oh crap. No! Oh my God! Oh man! There is still crazy airtime on this ride! Oh, I think I just got sideways airtime! Woo! Oh man! Ready? Get ready for it! Oh man! Woo! This ride still kicks ass after 10 years. Oh, here we go! Whee! Get ready to dive back down into the structure. Oh man! More sideways air time. Here goes. Whee! Ready for it? Tunnel air time. Oh! Woo! And more tunnel air time. Whee! And that, everybody, is the new Texas Giant, or the 10-year-old Texas Giant here at Six Flags Over Texas.